Ciao Tesla people, today I'm going to install the roof cover here, and I have it from last year. It's the same one, and it's the one from HaloBLK, and it's the one that has some technology from NASA, which worked really good. I'm going to install it only half because I want to protect the people there in the back. And then because it's not too hot yet, well, inside the car it's hot because it's at the sun, but outside it's not that hot. I think it's 22 degrees or 21. But next week we're going to have 27 degrees, so it's going to be pretty warm. So I'm going to install only the back part. Sorry about that. So let's first the package with the box with the pin, the pins and stuff to be used. Okay, so this is, you see, it has the red reflection. I need to figure out which part is this guy. There should be a tag. Let's open it and see if it is the one. HaloBLK. Let's open it and see if this is the one for the back. Should be, maybe not. Let's see. No, this is the front one. Okay, of course I picked the front one. Don't remember how to close it. It should be like that. Yeah. Okay. That's good. At least this guy worked. And this is the rear here. I checked the wrong side. So here it says the tag, it says rear, and the other one unfortunately has front. Where is it? Anyway, when I find it, I'll check it. So this is the rear one. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so this guy says, oh, you see, it says there is a logo with NASA down here, and this goes like this. So, but on okay, sorry about that. Okay, it goes like this. Okay. Yeah. So let's put the plastic pins. We'll put 2, 4, 6, and they're easy to put because the roof cover has here on the edges, it has a steel wire. They're easy to, makes it easy to install it, you see. I'm going to put 2, another 2 here, like that, 1, and another one down here. Okay, and then another 2 up here. Let me see if yeah, like that, right on the edge. So you will, if I need to, I can put other ones at least. Okay, that's it. Let's see if this are enough. So this should be pretty easy to install it, like that. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. Okay. So there's a tag here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here, here, and there. It looks good. Yeah. Right in the back like that. Looks good. But Yeah, nice, yeah. It's good. Very cool. So very easy to install it, and hopefully protects a bit from the heat. I'm going to put away this other one. So I'm going to leave all the information about this roof cover, glass roof cover in the description, so you can check it out. It's from HaloBLK. It's one of the sponsors of the channel. They always have great products, and it worked really well last year. I used it from last year and compared to the other ones that I had previously. So I kept it, and I installed it again this year. So summer season is here among us, the warm season is here, so we need this. I'm going to put this in the trunk, so as soon as I need it, I'll put it in the front too. And let me show you how it looks like. Very, very cool. And here is the logo from NASA. Actually, it's upside down, the Voyager. Very cool. So hopefully works again well this year. I'm going to check it out how it's half and a half to see how it's going to work. Should be okay, yeah. And as soon as I need it, I'm going to install the other one. So check out everything, all the information in the description. There is a discount code. I think it's 10% off, if I recall correctly. I'm going to put everything in the description so you can check it out. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you next video. Ciao, Tesla people.